Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Redmi Watch 5 Active. And on this video, we are going to check again the heart rate monitor as well as the blood oxygen monitoring. On our previous video, we also checked the heart rate as well as the SpO2 and compare it with the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 and the Galaxy Fit 3. We also adjust the settings for the heart rate monitoring. But on this video, we are going to compare the results with our fingertip pulse oximeter and heart rate monitoring. So we do have here, okay, a fingertip pulse oximeter. And the result of this will be compared with our Redmi Watch 5 Active. So if you are interested to see if the result is somewhat similar to this device, watch this video. And again, we ask you to support our channel, like, share, and subscribe to our Smartwatch Specifications YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start. Let's wear this first, and we'll see the results when we activate our fingertip pulse oximeter. Okay, it is now set. Let's have our fingertip pulse oximeter. Okay, let's clean this. Let's clean our finger first. Seems like everything is okay now. Let's activate the heart rate here. And it's now measuring. Let's turn this on. So can you see the result here? It's now checking. So 81 beats per minute with a 97 blood oxygen. You have here 77. The same with our Redmi Watch 5 Active, around 80 something. 81, 79, and 80 here. Can you see the results? So they almost have the same results here with our fingertip pulse oximeter. When the Redmi Watch 5 Active increases, our heart rate here or our fingertip pulse oximeter also increases. And when the Watch Active decreases, the same with our fingertip pulse oximeter here. So they almost have the same results. +2, -2 when it comes to result setting. $80, 74, 73, as you can see here. Almost the same. Just a minor difference. And of course, still the heart rate monitoring for our Redmi Watch 5 Active provide a much faster, okay, results compared to our fingertip pulse oximeter here. But so far, there are times that they synchronize. Okay, or the fingertip pulse oximeter here follows the trend of our Redmi Watch 5 Active. Okay, for the blood oxygen, let's see. Seems like the heart rate is okay. Let's see with the blood oxygen measure. We have here 97. Let's check. Keep still. We have 98% and 97 here on our fingertip pulse oximeter. 99%. Okay. So a bit different but so far I think it's okay, still okay. Again, let's check. Measuring, still 97, 98%. Okay, 98%. So just a minor difference of 1% for the blood oxygen monitoring. But for the heart rate, I think the result is okay. Almost the same, okay, when it comes to the heart rate monitoring. Just a minor difference, I think. And it follows the trend of the blood oxygen monitoring here and the heart rate monitoring. So when the heart rate of our fingertip pulse or the Redmi Watch 5 active increases, it also, the results here on our fingertip pulse oximeter also increases. So that's it for our heart rate monitoring, comparing it with our fingertip pulse oximeter. So if you have any questions or special requests for our Redmi Watch 5 active, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!